the thing.
Okay.
This is gonna be a freaking awesome fireworks show.
You're telling me. Hey, hand me that pump, would you?
You got it? Good. Oh, hey, Benny!
Oh, hey, Benny, we didn't see you over there.
Come over here and let me show you something.
Is that an atom bomb in the back of your truck?
Where in the hell did he get that?
Well, you see, my mind shows me these things, and then they come into real life.
Right, but where'd you get it?
Well, what's that place in the Anaconda, the Mountain Man Training Center?
You mean the Mountain Man Trading Post?
Right. Let's light this sucker off tonight.
Well, Ben, we think we should stick with regular fireworks.
See, thank you. That's what I'm saying. We gotta keep it family friendly.
Yeah.
So, what you got?
Well, come over here and let me show you.
I'm gonna keep attaching fuses.
Now, I already told you, Sonny. No fireworks past 10.
Come on, it doesn't even get dark till 10.
Oh, so it's like that.
Oh, all right, I got it.
And remember to keep it down after 10 because it hurts Norm's ears because of...
Vietnam.
Disc jockey.
Who's your friends?
Just my crabby neighbors.
You know, we could get them real good.
Get them good?
How?
See, I put a bunch of TNT in his toilet. So when he sits down to, then boom!
Yeah, wasn't that like blowing to Mars?
That's crazy. That's not gonna work.
What isn't?
Oh, see, you wouldn't get it. You're a woman.
I'm a woman, so?
See, she's not getting it. You know what? You're a woman. You can't help you're lazy.
You know, Benny, it might not be such a good idea. We could always use an extra set of eyes for the firework.
See, that's what I'm saying. That's perfect.
Okay, well, it's settled.
Norm, dinner's almost ready.
All right.
Listen up.
Oh, wait, Pauline, I think I better run to the job.
Oh, okay, Norm. Don't forget to wash your hands.
All right, I'm about ready to release some demons.
Oh, we got them good!
Benny! We want a family-friendly fireworks show together. What you have is way too powerful.
Yeah, that wasn't fireworks. That was just trying to close them.
Well, that is the fact why I'm here.
What are you talking about?
Well, before the government sucked out my brain, I was the lead nuclear physicist in an underground bunker beneath the Bonanza freezing butte. And now that you know that information, you're all gonna die.
All right, come on, Benny. Time to go.
You missed the one line you had in the show.
Go that way!
Go that way, Jim!
You think we'll remember him?
I don't think we'll ever see him again.
That was a tad strange.
Yeah, no kidding.
Why mess with this? Why don't we just go down to the old prison? We can watch Gordo's show down there.
Yeah, why reinvent the wheel? Let's go.
To Gordo!